Steve from Brazoria has a question about a floor upgrade.
Well, his home was built back in the 60s, right? So Steve writes, after the flooding, I removed the hardwood floor and found it was sitting on short little pieces of 2x4s embedded in tar on top of the slab. So the total height of the floor, he says, is about 2 3/8 inches. And after removing the 2x4s, he's got this uneven.
Oh, yeah, it's a mess.
So he wants to know, Tom, what are his options? What can Steve do to level this floor out?
Okay, first off, we're going to fill it with mud, but not what your kids might bring in from the outside.
Kids!
Yeah, exactly. It's a floor, it's just a cement mixture with very little aggregate, like a sandcrete would be a product you could use if you went to the store and you wanted to do it yourself. And that's a lot of bags, by the way, so be careful. But you're just going to fill it, screed over the top. Call Texas Floors. Have them put a new floor on there. You can have wood, you can have tile, you can have carpet, whatever the case may be. But it's just a matter of just covering the mess up. It's done all the time.
When we built the lobby here, we uncovered when we were pulling the tile up.
Right out in the front there.
Right in the very front, there's like a mud
Yes.
bed. And it's like, I want to tell you that you want to use the mud because if you try to fill that up with leveling compound, you'll be
No, leveling compounds for little stuff.
Yeah, you're going to be using it like a third mortgage.
That stuff's not cheap either.
You got a
You're right.
question? We'll save you money. Just send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check our videos out over here, and we would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel.